I have found a really urgent Bitcoin pattern that we have to talk about today, because that could signal a massive move here in the immediate short term for the Bitcoin price. So make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell so that you will be always notified when I put out one of these urgent videos. So, and without any further ado, let's jump here directly into today's charts. So here I want to start off with the 4-hourly chart. So, and if you would have watched yesterday's video, you would have seen that I was absolutely right. Here, this support area has acted as a magnet. We came all the way down to touch it here with this wick to 16,466, and congratulations to everybody that was in the trade that I had mentioned a couple days ago. We have hit all our targets here. We actually overshot our target here by quite a bit, so that was really nice. I have closed my position completely at take profit 2. I hope you did the same. But now you can see here our first take profit point on the 1-hourly chart is acting as resistance for the Bitcoin price to move here into higher price levels. But nonetheless, the stochastic RSI is still pointing higher. So we could potentially see a retest of this level and a potential break all the way up, let's say, to $16,700 ish. So that's where I believe we could see the Bitcoin price moving up to before we see potentially another rejection here on the 4-hourly chart. But let me go here back to this 4-hourly chart and let me take off the VPVR and let me show you the pattern that I have found that is really dangerous right now for Bitcoin. So, and I have just spotted this today. Let me take here also this a little bit off. So maybe you can see it already. So we have here potential head and shoulders pattern forming for the Bitcoin price. And if we break the neckline, which is a downward sloping support line right now for Bitcoin, if we break here, let's say in the next coming hours, 16,460 again, and going lower, that's where I'm gonna open a new short position. So because if we measure the move for this head and shoulders pattern, so let's take it here. Then you will see that this will bring us sub $16,000. So let us put us this here. So you see almost to the dollar to $15,000 if we would break this neckline here of this head and shoulders pattern. And that is of course not good for the immediate short term for everybody that bought, let's say, in the last 12 months, you know, so because we were way above these prices 12 months ago. But of course it gives us also a unique opportunity to buy Bitcoin at the price that we have not seen for over 18 months. So, and that is something definitely worth mentioning here. I'm gonna load up again a lot of coins when we break here this specific support area of 16,200 all the way up to 16,500 ish. So once we are breaking this here to the downside, there I will start dollar cost averaging all the way down to our target here of $15,000. So when we go here on the daily chart, here on the daily chart we see right now a small move here back to the upside. That is led from the shorter time frames that we have to see here some sort of a relief, and that is also seen here in the stochastic RSI. If we would close today's candle as it is here, then we would most likely get a new buy signal on a stochastic RSI with a pinch to the upside on the trend line over the signal line, and then we could on the daily time frame, let me point this out here, see a move to 16,900 ish, 16,850. Let's see here. So if I would take it all the way up here, yeah, around 16,850, 16,950. So if we would stay within that range here, just above 16,900, then we could also see a retest of here these wicks around $17,200. So the new potential trade setup, let me point this out to you guys here. So my entry would be here for a long position in that case to the upside. Oh, sorry guys, I made a mistake here. So here would be my entry. Up here would be my take profit point, the first one. Here would be the second one. So we just have to make the stop loss a little bit tighter. So my stop loss would be kind of like here. So, and there you go. That would be my take profit points here in that scenario. So let's see how this is playing out. If we close a 4-hourly candle above the entry level at 16,660, that is where I would open a long position to these targets here, to 16,780 and respectively 16,850. So, and don't forget that we trail our stop once we have hit take profit point 1. That's where I move my stop loss to my entry, and that way I make sure that I walk away with some profits and that the trade becomes risk-free. Guys, don't forget, if you want to trade with me together, you can do that on BYBIT. On BYBIT, you still get $30,000, up to $30,000 in deposit bonus if you use my specific link. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment below. And also on Bitget, there you still get $20,000 absolutely for free with the deposit bonus, guys. That's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.